In the land of Palestine, where fear walks like a shadow and the sound of explosions has become a part of everyday life, there lived a 10-year-old boy named Aamir, who dared to dream in colors. His dreams were not of toys or candies, but of peace, of a world where children's laughter echoed louder than bombs. This is the story of a child who kept drawing even during war, who kept speaking in the language of dreams, and whose last smile carried the pain of an entire nation. In a small village of Palestine, as the morning sun scattered its golden light on the dusty streets, Aamir woke up rubbing his eyes and said cheerfully, "Mom, the sky looks brighter today. Maybe it too is waiting for peace." His mother smiled, placing a simple breakfast made with olive oil before him. Aamir wasn't an ordinary child. There was a spark in his eyes, the kind only seen in dreamers. He would draw for hours using just 3 colors: red, green, and black. On broken walls, he painted the dome of Al-Aqsa Mosque, doves flying across the sky, and smiling faces of children. While playing with his friends, he would say, "One day the war will end. We'll build a new school, and I'll teach everyone how to draw." In a child's innocent world, dreams are always big. And Aamir's were filled with peace, happiness, and learning. Every day, his mother would place her hand on his head and whisper, "Oh Allah, please protect my child's childhood." But deep down, she knew. In Palestine, childhood is fragile. Every smile hides a silent fear. One evening, Aamir was sitting outside, drawing a picture of laughing children in front of the mosque. Suddenly, a loud explosion ripped through the air. The ground trembled. Dust, blood, and screams filled the silence. Aamir's heart raced. He stood up and ran towards his home. But before he could reach, another blast. Then silence. When Aamir regained consciousness, he was in a quiet hospital room. His face was bruised, his body wrapped in bandages, but his eyes were alive. He couldn't speak, but his eyes screamed questions. Where is my mom? My friends? My school? There were no answers. Only a nurse, who quietly wiped her tears while looking at his broken little face. Aamir motioned for a pencil and paper. Surprised, the nurse handed them to him. With trembling hands, he began to draw. A child holding a pencil, the Al-Aqsa Mosque in the background, and a white dove soaring through a peaceful sky. This was the voice of his soul, a language that even war couldn't silence, a hope that refused to die under the rubble. As he finished his drawing, a faint smile appeared on his lips. It was the smile of victory, or perhaps the last flicker of a broken heart. And in that moment, he said everything he ever wanted to say, then quietly closed his eyes. That picture was later found by a photographer. It spread across the world. The wounded boy with a pencil became the symbol of peace. He touched hearts. He became a voice. His smile turned into a protest, a question that the world still hasn't answered. Aamir left the world, but his drawing still lives on the walls of Palestine. His dreams still shine in the eyes of children. His mother, no longer just a mother of a child, but a mother to a nation, says, "My son was martyred, but his smile lives on every child's face." This was the last smile of childhood, one that sparked a silent revolution, a smile that speaks without words, a picture that cannot be erased, even by time. Aamir may be gone, but his drawing, his smile, and the dream in his eyes still live on. His silent voice still screams, "Let us play, let us live. Give us back our childhood." This is not just a story. This is the voice of every child, caught in the flames of war. Aamir left us, but his smile shook the world. This was the last smile of childhood.